Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the timer dial. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of the dials, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to find the new timer dial. The main reason you'd be changing out the timer dial is if it became damaged and isn't mounted properly any longer to the shaft and the arrow no longer points to the proper cycle. The first thing we have to do is to remove the control panel. It's usually held in place by two screws. They're located in either the front or the rear of the control panel. Some models have trim covers that you have to lift off to gain access to the screws, and on other models they have spring clips that you have to slip a putty knife underneath to release them. Once you have your screws out, slide the control panel forward about a half an inch and lift it back over the back of the machine. If you notice on the back of the timer, when you slowly turn the timer knob, there's a tab that turns. You have to grab this with your needle nose pliers, hold on to it, and then pull the knob off from the front. Now that we have the timer knob off, we can go ahead and pull the dial off. It just snaps into place. Here's the old dial next to the new dial. They may look a little bit different. They redesign these things throughout the years, and as long as it snaps on and does its job, it'll be okay. Here's the new timer dial. On the inside of the timer dial there's 3 ribs, 1 fat one and 2 skinny ones, which go onto the timer shaft. So before you push it on, make sure you have those lined up and then push it onto the timer shaft. To replace the knob, you have to line up the flats on the timer shaft with the flats on the timer knob, not this side. So once you get it lined up, all you have to do is push it on. If somehow you press this in while you are working on it, this black piece is going to come all the way back up to the top and you're not going to be able to get the knob on. So you have to pull the shaft out and then take your needle nose and press the black part back down to get out of the way. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and slip the knob on, press it down to lock it into place. To close up the console, all you do is rotate it forward over the front of the machine. Make sure the locking tabs lock in place, pull it back about a half an inch, and replace the screws. Now that you have the machine reassembled, you can go ahead and plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.